Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright everyone, here we have a Lenovo laptop motherboard with model LA6759P revision 1.0. The problem is cannot turn on, but when we plug the charger, the charging indicator light on. This means that the charging process is working well, but we cannot turn on this laptop. Okay, I will show you without the battery. Salam. We have no current on my PSU, and when we try to turn on, this is not responding. Okay, the first step is, of course, we need to clean this motherboard. This is very dirty. You can clean this using the brush. The next step is we must remove this CMOS battery using the solder. Wait a minute. Okay, try again to turn on. Still not responding. And after we check this pin, this is the push button pin here. In the normal condition we must have about 3 volt, but here is no voltage. Okay, no voltage. So I think we need to check all the voltage level, beginning of course from the 19 volt at the V-in line. Okay, let's check the voltage at the V-in line. The normal condition, and then 3 volt and 5 volt. Three volt, 5 volt in the normal condition. And after that we must check the voltage of the VCC pin of this HC chip. But before this step, try to remove the RAM. We need to check the condition of the VCC of the RAM. USB. Okay, everything fine, I think. So here found a condition that I think this is not normal. You know that this is D23, right? This is the diode, and we check the voltage here is about 1.6 1.5 volt, and we can see here this is the pull up resistor, and in this point we have 3 volt. In this point we have 1.5 volt and no voltage divider here, and this is this diode is connected directly to the push button, to on off button. So I think this is we get the trouble here, because of course in the normal condition, because this is the pull up resistor, if in this point 3 volt, this point must be 3 volt 2. Okay, in the normal condition, once again, if in this point 3 volt, so in this point must be 3 volt too, but here after we check the voltage is 1.5 volt. I will try to replace this resistor because I have checked this diode in the normal condition and no problem at this line. The position of the diode D23 is here, and this is the SIO chips or HA chip. Okay, now I have found the problem of this laptop. Before this, I have replaced the resistor here, the pull up resistor, and then still not working. And then after we check the pin of the power button, this is the power button, right, connected directly to the pin number 7 of this connector, connected directly to this point. And we check using the multitester, this point not connected directly to the pin number 1 of diode D23, right, not connected directly. And in the normal condition, of course, this must be connected directly, as we can see this at the schematic diagram of this motherboard. And then before not connected directly, we use this small cable to connect this point to this point, and now this motherboard working well. I will show you. Okay, turn on the power button. We use external monitor here. Alright, this motherboard now working well, right? But we must shut off this because the cooling fan not installed. Okay, turn off. Working well now. Okay, brother, I hope this video will be useful. We need to install again this to the case. I think this is not important for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be useful. See you again in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.